If your numbered lists look a little off in Microsoft Word and the periods don't line up the way you want them to, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you a simple way to align the periods in numbered lists so your document looks cleaner, more professional, and easier to read. This is especially useful for reports, outlines, class notes, and any document where formatting really matters. If you find this helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open your Word document and select the numbered list that you want to fix. You want to highlight the list itself so Word knows exactly which numbering format you're working with. Once the list is selected, look at the numbering options in the toolbar. Click the drop-down arrow next to the numbering button. This will open up the numbering menu with different list options. From that menu, look for the option that says Define New Number Format. Click that option to open the formatting settings for your numbered list. In this window, you'll see different controls for how your numbering appears, including alignment, style, and spacing. To align the periods properly, change the alignment setting to right. This helps line up the numbers and punctuation more neatly, especially when you're working with multi-digit numbers or documents that need a more polished layout. After you choose right alignment, take a moment to review the preview if Word shows one. Make sure the list looks the way you want it to before confirming the change. When everything looks good, click OK to apply the new format. Word will update the selected list, and your numbered periods should now be aligned much more cleanly. If the list doesn't look quite right at first, you can always repeat the steps and adjust the format again until it matches your document style. The nice thing about this method is that it gives you more control over the appearance of your numbering without having to rebuild the list from scratch. It's a quick fix, but it can make a big difference in the overall presentation of your work. So again, the process is simple. Select the list, open the numbering dropdown, choose Define New Number Format, set the alignment to right, and click OK. And that's it. You've now learned how to align the periods in numbered lists in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Word tips and tricks tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.